Hello, this is Matteo from Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to unbox the Xiaomi A2 Lite. Now the package has just arrived, see what's inside. Packaging is pretty well done. This is from a retailer called eGlobal Central. Well wrapped packaging in bubble wrap, and we're quite excited about this because it's the budget Android One offering from Xiaomi this year. It's very well packed, I would say overly so. I'm struggling to get into all the bubble wrap without popping it. There we go. And we're almost there. This is very well wrapped. Here we go. So there we have it. This is the packaging to the Xiaomi A2 Lite. It's a simple packaging with nice colourful picture on the front of the device. It says Mi A2 Lite and the Android One logo. And the Xiaomi logo in the top right. On the side, we'll see Mi A2 Lite, Android One with the global version sticker. On the other side, pretty much the same thing. And here we find specifications. It's highlighting the 12 megapixel AI dual camera, the 4000 mAh battery, and the 5.84 inch screen, which at this point we know is a notched screen. So here we have the cellophane of packaging, and the box just slides open. No fancy packaging here, it's very small and functional. And here we have the device itself, Mi A2 Lite. 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel is AI dual camera with large 1.25 pixels, 4000 mAh battery, and 5.84 inch full HD plus display. That's more than, for example, the Meizu M6S we reviewed recently. On the back, apart from the stickers, there's a few details. We'll look into that a little bit further. But in the packaging, what else is there? It's very simple. There's an EU charger and a micro USB cable, because this is a micro USB device. And interestingly, the SIM ejector tool is in the bottom of the cardboard box. Very simple one. Okay, so let's discard the rest of the packaging, apart from what the device was in. And in here, once I open it, there's a very handy silicone case. This is a case for keeping the device safe whilst you wait for your Mocadile case to arrive. And this is some literature, quick user guide. That's about it. So let's have a look at the device. It's definitely smaller in terms of footprint compared to the Xiaomi A2. I have them side by side here. Similar in design in that the two cameras are set up vertically along one edge at the top. Fingerprint reader is in the middle at the back, ergonomically very convenient. But if we look at the Mi A2 Lite, unlike the A2, there is a plastic top and a plastic bottom. Micro USB and speakers at the bottom. Power and volume rocker at the side. And the dual SIM and micro SD slot at the other side. And on the top we find the Courage port, or the 3.5mm audio jack, and an infrared blaster, which is a feature I really enjoy. So let's switch it on whilst we take off the sticker. Android One logo front and center. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.